Hello everyone, welcome to HR Trends. Here we are with another important topic, which is management. In this video, we will give you introduction to management. Please subscribe to our channel for latest updated videos of HR trainings and management. Please press the bell icon for the latest notifications of the HR videos. Thank you very much. Okay, let's discuss that what is management. Management could be defined as all the tasks that we control to achieve company's goals. It means that management is an activity to plan, lead, control, etc. To be a good manager, you will need to develop a set of skills including planning, communication, organization, and leadership. You will also need broad knowledge of the company's objectives and how to guide employees, sales, and other operations to achieve them. Functions of management. There are basically five primary functions of management. These are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. We will discuss all these functions shortly. Okay, let's discuss planning. Planning is future-oriented and determines an organization's path. It's a rational and systematic way of making decisions today that will affect the future of the company. It's a kind of organized foresight as well as corrective hindsight. It involves predicting of the future as well as attempting to control the events. It involves the ability to foresee the effects of current actions in the long run in the future. An effective planning program includes the effect of both external as well as internal factors. The external factors are deficiencies of resources, both capital and material, general economic trend as far as interest rates and inflation are concerned, dynamic technological advancements, increased governmental regulation regarding community interests, unstable international political environments, etc. The internal factors that affect planning are limited growth opportunities due to saturation requiring diversification, changing patterns of employees, more complex organizational structures, decentralization, etc. Okay, let's discuss organizing. Organizing requires a formal structure of authority and the direction and flow of such authority through which work subdivisions are defined, arranged, and coordinated so that each part relates to the other part in a united and coherent manner so as to attain the prescribed objectives. Thus, the function of organizing involves the determination of activities that need to be done in order to reach the company objectives, assigning these activities to proper employees and delegating the necessary power to carry out these activities in a coordinated and cohesive manner. The function of organizing is concerned with identifying the tasks that must be performed and grouping them whenever necessary, assigning these tasks to the personnel while defining their authority and responsibility, delegating this authority to these employees, establishing a relationship between authority and responsibility, coordinating these activities. Okay, then comes staffing. Staffing is the function of hiring and retaining a appropriate workforce for the enterprise, both at managerial as well as non-managerial levels. It involves the process of employing, training, developing, rewarding, and assessing employees and maintaining this workforce with proper incentives and motivations. Since the human element is the most vital factor in the process of management, it is important to recruit the right personnel. This function is even more critically important since people differ in their intelligence, knowledge, abilities, experience, physical condition, age, and attitudes. And this complicates the function. Hence, management must understand, in addition to the technical and operational competence, the sociological and psychological structure of the workforce. Directing. The directing function is concerned with leadership, communication, motivation, and supervision so that the employees perform their activities in the most efficient manner possible in order to achieve the desired goals. The leadership element involves issuing instructions and guiding the subordinates about procedures and methods. The communication must be open both ways so that the information can be passed on to the subordinates and the feedback received from them. Motivation is very important since highly motivated people show excellent performance with less direction from superiors. Supervising subordinates would lead to continuous progress reports as well as assure the superiors that the directions are being properly carried out. The fifth and last function of management is controlling. The function of control consists of those activities that are undertaken to ensure that the events do not diverge from the pre-decided plans. The activities consist of forming standards for work performance, determining performance, and comparing it to these set standards, and taking corrective actions as when needed to correct any deviations. The controlling functions involves establishment of standard performance, measurement of actual performance, measuring actual performance with predetermined standard and finding out the deviations, taking corrective action. All these five functions of management are closely interrelated. However, these functions are highly indistinguishable and virtually unrecognizable on the job. It is necessary, though, to put each function separately into focus and deal with it. Okay, levels of management. Large businesses and corporations often have three primary levels of management organized in a hierarchical structure. These levels of management includes low-level management, middle-level management, senior management. We will discuss all these levels shortly. Low-level managers. include roles like frontline team leaders, foremen, section leads, and supervisors. This level of management, the lowest in the three layers, is responsible for supervising the everyday work of individual employees or staff members and providing them with direction on their work. Low-level management's responsibilities often include ensuring the quality of employees' work, guiding staff in everyday activities, and routing employee problems through the appropriate channels. They also are responsible for the day-to-day supervision and career planning for their team as well as providing feedback on their employees' performance. Middle management. Middle managers, the next layer in the management hierarchy, are administered by senior management. Middle management includes those working in the roles of a department manager, regional manager, and branch manager. Middle management is responsible for communicating the strategic goals developed by senior management down the line to frontline managers. In contrast with senior management, middle managers spend more of their time on directional and organizational functions. This includes defining and discussing important policies for lower management, providing guidance to lower management to achieve better performance, and executing organizational plans at the direction of senior management. Senior management. Senior management, including the Chief Executive Officer, President, Vice President, and board members, is at the top layer of this management hierarchy. Senior management needs to set the overall objectives and direction of an organization. Senior management develops strategic plans and company-wide policy and makes decisions about the direction of the organization at the highest level. They also usually play an essential role in the mobilizing outside resources and are held accountable to the company's shareholders as well as the general public for the performance of the company. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you will like it. Please give us your valuable feedback and suggestions. We need your valuable feedback and suggestions. Please subscribe to our channel for latest updated videos on HR trainings and management topic. If you want us to make video on a specific topic, then please let us know. We will try our best to make video on that topic. Thank you very much once again.